What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free PayPal money and free PayPal cash codes in 2024. This is using a rewards website. You just have to complete a couple of these really simple tasks and it's going to allow you to get a $250 free PayPal money code. And it is super easy, and you can use your code on any website that accepts PayPal online, so you can enter it into the checkout and it's going to act as real money. So this is how you can get $250 free PayPal money. You need to use your mobile phone. Very important, you have a mobile with an internet connection, and you've got to go to this website. So type it exactly how I'm going to type it: www.sellhero, so CELLHERO.XYZ. So make sure you go to this website. I'll also put it on the screen somewhere up here. So go to this website and you can see it says redeem your reward. Receive a reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks. How to receive your chosen reward easily. Click the button to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile, so that's why I said to make sure you have a mobile phone with an internet connection. Choose and complete 2 of the tasks. Make sure to follow the instructions for each carefully. Choose and claim your desired reward. So basically guys, you've got to click on this button and there's going to be a set of instructions. So claim your reward, and it says complete 2 of the free offers below, and it says follow the instructions below each one. So you can see on my screen here guys, I've got a list of different tasks and I need to choose 2 of them to unlock my free PayPal money. So you can see these range from downloading and playing free games. So this one at the top says download and complete level 9. This one says complete village 3, so this is a game. Different ones here. So basically guys, all you've got to do is click on the 2 tasks that you don't mind completing, and you can see this one took me to the App Store where I would need to basically download and play that game until level 9. Alternatively, you can do other things like questionnaires and surveys. Just complete 2 of these. So I'm going to go finish 2 of these and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and finished 2 tasks. That did take me about 5 minutes. I just had to basically play this game and then I just had to open up this app down here. So now I've completed 2 of these tasks, and if you fully followed the instructions, when you press your tabs button, you should now see this tab here that says PayPal Money. Click on that and you can see guys, you can choose between a $250 free PayPal gift card code, and also you can choose a 50% off code. So this is going to give you $250 free PayPal money guys, and you can see these are limited codes. So all you have to do is click on that and it will give you your code here guys. I'm blocking mine out because I want to use it and I don't want you guys stealing it from me. But that is it guys, super easy. You've just got to basically go and follow all of the instructions on sellhero.xyz. Super easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, that's going to get you your free PayPal cash codes in 2024. So yeah, enjoy guys, and I'll see you next time.